write down the equation and put equation 1 and also equation 2. Okay, next we choose substitution method. Choose one equation you want to find one term in terms of another term. I choose from 2. Y equals to 9 minus 4x is our equation 3. So substitute 3 into equation 1 because I already used to. Write down again equation 1 and substitute y into 9 minus 4x. So other than that, you need to write down again. Okay, so we need to expand a positive 3 and each term in the bracket. Okay, positive 3 plus times 9 is 27. Positive 3 times negative 4 is negative 12x. Okay, that's how you know plus or minus there. Okay, so like term with like term, x with x and numbers with numbers, we can simplify. So 2x minus 12x is negative 10x. 17 minus 27 is negative 10. So we divide with negative 10 to get x equals to 1. Okay, now we need to find out y equals to what? So substitute x equals to 1 into, I choose 3 because we already get y equals to what? We don't have to backtracking. So 9 minus 4x. Write down the equation 3 again and we substitute x with 1. So anything that you want to substitute, you put bracket. Now you already get the answer for x equals to 1 and y equals to 5. Number 2, so as usual, write down which one is equation 1 and which one is equation 2. So 3x plus 2y equals to 20 is our equation 1. 2x plus y equals to 1 is our equation 2. And we use substitution. Choose which equation, from which equation you want to find a term in term of another term. Okay, so now I want to find out y equals to what in terms of x. I choose 2 because there is only one y there, so I don't need to divide my right side with any number. So next, substitute equation 3, which is y equals to 1 minus 2x into equation 1. I cannot substitute into 2 because I already choose 2 to find 3, equation 3. Okay, so write down equation 1 again and substitute y equals to 1 minus 2x. Make sure you put bracket with term you substitute. Now we expand positive 2 times 1 is positive 2. Positive 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x equals to 20. Next, like term with like term, we can simplify x with x. So 3x minus 4x plus 2 equals to 20. Okay. And next, minus x equals to 20 minus 2 because we were tracking positive 2 to the right side. So, 20 minus 2 is 18. To eliminate negative, we multiply with negative. Okay, negative at both sides. So we get x equals to negative 18. Not finished yet. We need to find out the value of y. So substitute x equals to 18 into equation 3. So write down equation 3 again. And we substitute x now into negative 18. Put bracket at which term you substitute. So negative 2 times negative 18 is positive 36. 1 plus 36 is 37. Okay, done. Number 3. So put down equation 1. 5x plus y equals to 22 is our equation 1. 3x plus 3y equals to 18 is our equation 2. Okay, I can see that at equation 1 I already have 1y. So I'm going to choose from 1 and I find out y equals to what. So 5x plus y equals to 22. So 5x to the right side, it will become negative 5x. So y equals to 22 minus 5x is our equation 3. Next, substitute 3 into 2. Okay, what we are going to substitute? We are going to substitute y now into 22 minus 5x. So write down equation 2 again. 3x plus 3y equals to 18. And we want to change y into 22 minus 5x. So expand positive 3 times 22 is positive 66. Next, positive 3 times negative 5x is negative 15x. So equals to 18. Like term with like term, 3x minus 15x is negative 12x. And 66, we can move to the right side. It will become 18 minus 66. Okay. So negative 12x is equal to negative 48. Divide with negative 12 because we only want to find x equals to what? So x equals to negative 48 minus negative 12 is 4. Okay, next we need to find the value of y. Okay, so substitute x equals to 4 into equation 3. Okay, so we are going to change x in equation 3 into 4. So 22 minus 5 bracket 4. So 22 minus 20 is equals to 2. Done. Let's move on to equation 4. Okay, solve the following simultaneous equation. So as usual, put equation 1 and the other linear equation is equation 2. I'm going to use substitution again. So choose from which equation you want to find a term. In terms of another term, I choose 1. So write down equation 1 again and find out y equals to what? But there I have 2y, so I need to divide with 2. So I get y equals to 12 minus 3x over 2. That is my equation 3. So substitute equation 3 into other than equation 1 because 3 comes from 1. So I choose into 2. So write down equation 2 again. And substitute y into y into 12 minus 3x over 2. So you substitute a fraction now. It's okay, it doesn't matter. You substitute a fraction or decimal or a number. Just substitute what is equal to y into y in equation 2. Okay, then we expand positive 3 times 12 minus 3x. So everything must be over 2 equals to 19. Next, expand positive 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, and positive 3 minus 3x is negative 9x. Okay, the plus or minus sign depends on the result of multiplication over 2. Don't forget to put over 2. I want to eliminate over 2, so I multiply left side with 2, and when I multiply left side with 2, I need to multiply right side with 2 also. So now each term in the expression must be multiplied with 2. First, 5x times 2. Next is 36 minus 9x over 2 times 2. You can cancel out 2. And 19 times 2 is 38. So, like term with like term, we 10x minus 9x and 38 minus 36. X equals to 2. Next, we substitute x equals to 2 into equation 3 because we want to find the value of y. So, x there, we need to substitute with 2. So it will become 12 minus 6 over 2. And the answer is y equals to 3. Number 5, 7x minus 4y equals to 20 is our equation 1. 3x plus 3y equals to 18 is our equation 2. So now, neither equation 1 or 2 has single term. So I can choose any equation I want. I choose 2 because there is all positive term there. We write down equation 2 again and we find out x equals to what? The single x equals to what? So I need to divide with 3 there so that I only get single x at the left side. That is our equation 3. Then we substitute equation 3 into equation 1 because we haven't used equation 1, right? So 7x minus 4y equals to 20. Now we are going to change x there into 18 minus 3y over 3. Put bracket there for any term that you substitute. So we expand, we multiply 7 with 18 minus 3y. Put bracket there, all over 3. Minus 4y equals to 20. Now I don't want to see over 3 there, so I multiply each term with 3. Each term at the right side and also at the left side, okay, because there is equal sign there. If I multiply 3 at the left side, right side also must be multiplied with 3, all terms. Okay, next 3 over 3 and 7 times 18 is 126. 7 times negative 3y is negative 20y. Negative 4y times 3 is negative 12y, and 20 times 3 is 60. So like term with like term. So we need to find y. We need to divide with negative 33. So y equals to negative 66 over negative 33 is 2. Next, we find the value of y because we need to solve, meaning we need to find the answer for x and y. So substitute y equals to 2 into 3. Okay, so write down equation 3 again. And now we need to change that y into 2. Okay, so 18 minus 3 times 2 is 18 minus 3 times 2 over 3 is equal to 4. Okay, our last question, number 6. As usual, put down which one is equation 1, which one is equation 2, so you won't get confused by which equation you use afterwards. Next, you can choose either from equation 1 or equation 2. You want to find the single term. So I choose from 2 because all are positive term. And I want to find the value of x in terms of y, single x equals to what in terms of y. So that is my equation 3. Next, I substitute equation 3 into other equation that I haven't used, equation 1. Write down again, equation 1 is equal to 8x minus 5y equals to 1. So change x now into 18 minus 4y over 3. Okay, put bracket. Because everything, 18 minus 4y over 3 must be multiplied with 8. That's why we put bracket there. Okay, then we write down 8 times 18 minus 4y, bracket, over 3. I want to eliminate 3 there. So I multiply all terms, each terms in this equation with 3. So now we have 8 times 18 is 144, and positive 8 times negative 4y is negative 32y. Negative 5y times 3 is negative 15y, and 1 times 3 is 3. Next, like term with like term, negative 32y minus 15y is negative 47y, and we bring 144 to the right side, it becomes negative 144. So 3 minus 144 is negative 141. So we divide with negative 47 and we get y equals to 3. Next, we find out the value of x. So from 3, I substitute y equals to 3 into 3. Okay, because equation 3 I already have single x. Okay, so I just need to substitute y there with 3. Then I use my calculator. So what do I have here? X equals to, did you get it? X equals to 2. Yes, correct. That's all. See you again.